12 amazing IKEA Kura bed hacks for toddlers. Individual pine slats were fixed to a simple wooden frame to give this cozy cabin Kura hack by IKEA hackers a woodsy, cabin-like charm. For a more authentic look, consider replacing clean-cut pine with reclaimed pallet wood. With its soft curtains and colorful bunting, one little imp created this darling little Kura that is fit for a princess. If you need more room for your little one's royal finery, create accessible, under-the-bed storage by removing the Kura's bottom paneling. Wallpaper offers yet another simple solution for dressing up the Kura's plain particleboard panels. This pretty, little DIY hack seen on IKEA hackers also adds a frame around the bottom bunk, giving the bed a more traditional look. The design-savvy mom behind this photo discovered that a large tension rod fits perfectly within the existing frame of her daughter's Kura bed. After stringing up some twinkle lights and filling the bottom bunk with lots of comfy goodness, she used a modified shower curtain and a set of curtain rings to create this cozy little reading nook. It was featured on the Southern Disposition blog. This easy DIY from Ashley Rochelle uses upholstered foam core inserts to dress up the basic Kura bed frame. No sewing is required. You can, of course, choose your child's favorite colors or choose a themed fabric to customize the look. Reclaimed wood slats, fixed directly to the Kura's existing panels, add rustic flair to this nature-inspired bedroom. You can also stain or paint the slats for a custom look. This Rustic Rehaul comes from IKEA hackers. Tucked into a corner with its headboard opposite the wall, this sweet, little bed with its bright pink curtains from Fru Silver almost looks like a cozy, built-in cubby. Wallpapered panels in the same pattern as the walls add to this effect. See how one clever mom, armed with a paintbrush and a little imagination, transformed a Craigslist find Kura into a creative and colorful chalkboard canvas. This bed with chalkboard comes from Sample Sale Mom. A bubble-gum pink paint job and some MDF paneling give this Kura ball pit bunk bed a modern edge. The bottom bunk holds a thin mattress, offering protection during rowdy ball play and doubling as a guest bed when the balls are removed. The bed was shown on the now-defunct Swedish blog, Rustic Up. Built-in storage bins give Kura's bottom bunk a lift, creating a more comfortable guest bed and making practical use of the available space in this bed spotted on the IKEA hackers site. While this version sports a simple black and white color scheme, you can customize colors based on your child's preference. Designing a shared space? Two Kura bed frames join to create one space-saving corner unit featuring built-in, under-the-bed storage. This unique DIY idea is featured by Apartment Therapy. This imaginative playhouse is every kid's dream. The parents behind this amazing design hack used a pair of Kura bed frames to create a single corner unit. A simple, wooden house frame, connected to each of the existing beds, supports the individual panels that make up the walls and roof of the structure. Other details include a connecting tunnel and a bedtime view of the rising moon. It is shown on IKEAhackers.com. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.